Hi everyone. Well, today we're at Home Depot looking at some John Deere tractors. My father is buying one actually right now, and it's either the 100 or the 160. I think he bought the 100. It's a very, very nice tractor. It's a 17.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Yeah, brand new. I think we're getting a good deal on it. This one here is the 160. Oh, it even has the hose thing where you can just put the hose in, start the machine and clean the deck. That's awesome.
This has no scratches.
Yeah, nothing runs better like a John Deere.
What's this here?
I don't know.
What's
It's
this?
probably the parking brake.
Where do you put the key in here?
On the other side. Sweet. This one here is a 0 turn radius one. This one's got the 54-inch deck. Impressive. Yeah, it looks like a 5-speed auto transmission with reverse. Pretty cool.